How to restart iPhone without touching screen. To get started, you can use Siri to restart your device. Activate Siri by long pressing the side button or by saying "Hey Siri." Siri is Apple's virtual assistant that helps you perform tasks and control your device using voice commands. Once Siri is active, simply say "Restart this device." Siri will then ask for confirmation. A pop-up will appear on your screen with cancel and restart options. Say "Restart" to Siri to restart your device. Alternatively, you can use the physical buttons. Press and hold the volume up button and the power button until the restart screen appears. Then, press and hold the power button again, which will activate Siri. Now, say "Restart." You will see a pop-up asking to confirm the restart. Just say "Confirm restart." Your phone will then shut down. Press and hold the power button and your iPhone will start up again. Following these steps, you can easily restart iPhone without touching screen.